subtracting decimals. Pause the video and have a go at example 15. In example 15, we have 2.86 and we're taking away 0.086. I try to trick people in that question by making the 86 and 86 that you can see there, but they're in different positions, so they don't mean 86 necessarily. Just put them in the right place and go from there. There was nothing in this column for 2.86, so I put a 0 down there. It's not that important when it comes to adding, but for subtracting there, it's crucial to have numbers in each of the columns. Because then you can see what we're trying to do is 0 take away 6, which can't happen. So we borrow 1 from the 6 and bring it over. It now represents 10. So 10 take away 6 is 4. Then we have 5 take away 8, which we can't do. So we've got to borrow 1 from the 8. That becomes a 7. And we now have 15 in that column. So 15 minus 8, which gives 7. In the tenths column now we have 7 take away 0, which is 7. Remember your decimal point. And then finally 2 take away 0 is simply 2.